lesson number 28.
Ẹ̀kọ́ kejìdínlọ́gbọ̀n.
You know, this is Sunday school where you will not graduate.
Ilé ìwé yìí a kì í kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gboyè níbẹ̀.
The only graduation we do is when we meet with the Lord.
Kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gboyè kan ṣe tá a máa ń ṣe ni pé ńgbà tí a bá pàdé Ọlọ́run
And we sit down with Him.
tí a jókòó pẹ̀lú rẹ̀.
Today,
Lónìí,
we are continuing with the exposition on the 10 Commandments.
à ń tẹ̀síwájú nínú òfin mẹ́wàá.
You know, we have dealt with commandments number 1 to 6.
A ti bójútó
Let's do
ẹsẹ̀ kìíní sí
a
kẹfà
quick recap.
kí a ṣe
What
àtúgbéyẹ̀wò
is commandment number 1?
òfin kìíní.
Commandment number 2? Commandment number 3? I can only hear. Can you say it loud and clear? Don't deceive me. What is commandment number 3? Commandment number 4? Commandment number 5? Commandment number 6? Number 7? Number 8? Number 9? And number 10? Out of these 10, which are the commandments that has to do with your relationship with God?
Nínú òfin wọ̀nyí wo ni ó ní ìbáṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú tàfi ní ìbáṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
Commandment what?
1, 2,
And then 5 to 10, what is the relationship
to your neighbor.
to your neighbor? I know we summarized it according to what Jesus said.
Àkójọpọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí Jésù Kristi Olúwa wí.
Commandment number 1 to 4, what did Jesus say about
Òfin
them?
kìíní sí kẹrin kí ni Jésù Olúwa wa wí.
Yes? Thou shalt do what? Love the Lord thy God with all
Fẹ́ Olúwa Ọlọ́run rẹ
Uh-huh.
pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọkàn rẹ
and
pẹ̀lú
all
ipá
that
rẹ
mind.
àti gbogbo ọkàn
And
rẹ.
then 5 to 10,
Karùn-ún sí kẹwàá.
thou shalt do what? Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself.
Fẹ́ ẹnìkejì rẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí
Now, Exodus chapter 20, verse 14.
ìwé
What
Sódì
does it
orí
say?
ẹsẹ̀
Exodus
kẹrìnlá.
20, 14.
Ìwé Sódì orí.
Everybody, I want you to shout it loud.
Ìwọ kò gbúdọ̀ ṣàgbèrè.
That is what we are treating today.
Èyí ni ohun tí a fẹ́ bójútó lónìí.
You see, adultery is what I call voluntary sexual intercourse between a married person and a person who is not his wife or her husband.
Òfin yìí, ìwọ kò gbúdọ̀ ṣe panṣágà wọn ní ìbálòpọ̀ tí ó lòdì láàrin ọkùnrin àti obìnrin tí wọ́n ti ṣe ìgbéyàwó.
So virtually every educated person knew that adultery is a sexual relationship that somehow or another person breaches a marriage unit.
Èyí ni máa ń dábùú ìṣọ̀kan nínú ìgbéyàwó.
So adultery is an act of repudiating what I
Panṣágà
call your marriage vows.
tí ènìyàn ń ròfin ìgbéyàwó.
So according to biblical teachings,
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí Bíbélì ṣe fìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀.
it is one of the most frequently and severely condemned sin in the Bible.
Ó jẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ èyí tó jẹ́ gbajúgbajà nínú Bíbélì.
Adultery is mentioned 52 times in the Bible,
Panṣágà wọ́n dá orúkọ rẹ̀ nígbà 52 nínú Bíbélì.
both in the Old Testament
Nínú májẹ̀mú
and the
láíláí
New Testament.
àti májẹ̀mú tuntun.
The only sin of idolatry, self-righteousness, and murder are mentioned more often, but adultery was mentioned 52 times.
Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ti panṣágà yìí yàtọ̀ sí àwọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mìíràn wọ́n dárúkọ rẹ̀ ní ìgbà 52 nínú Bíbélì.
The book of Proverbs chapter 6 verse 32 says,
ìwé róòmù orí kẹfà ẹsẹ̀
But a
kejìléníọgbọ̀n.
man who commits adultery lacks judgment.
ní tí ó bá ṣe panṣágà
And
nílò
whoever
ìdájọ́,
does it destroys himself.
ẹni tí ó bá sì dá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yóò ń pa ara rẹ̀ run.
The book of Matthew chapter 15
ìwé ìrere matthew orí kẹrìndínlógún
verses 19 to 20 says,
kọkàndínlógún.
out of the heart come evil intentions,
nínú ọkàn ni èròǹgbà búburú tí wà.
murder, adultery,
ìpànìyàn, panṣágà,
fornication,
gbèrè,
theft,
tòun,
false witnessing, slander.
jẹ́rìí èké.
Say these are what defile a person.
àwọn eléyìí
But to eat with unwashed hands does not defile a person.
pé kí o jẹun láì fọwọ́ èyí kò bà ènìyàn jẹ́.
Luke chapter 18 verses 18 to 20
ìwé ìrere luke orí kejìdínlógún.
says, and a certain ruler questioned him, saying, good teacher, what shall I do to inherit eternal life? And Jesus said to him, why do you call me good? No one is good except God alone. You know the commandments. Do not commit adultery. Do not murder. Do not steal. Do not bear false witness.
má ṣe jẹ́rìí èké.
Honor your father and mother.
bọ̀wọ̀ fún bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀.
Hebrew chapter 13 verse 4 says,
ìwé bẹ́rù orí kẹtàlá.
let marriage be held in honor by all, and let the marriage bed be kept undefiled, for God will judge fornicators and adulterers.
lọ́run yóò ṣèdájọ́ àwọn alágbèrè àti àwọn onípanṣágà.
I want everybody to listen to me carefully today.
mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ènìyàn tẹ́tí sílẹ̀ bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́.
The very fact that God made this commandment
ó sì lè gbọ́ lọ́run pàṣẹ àwọn òfin wọ̀nyí.
means that God has a lot to do with marriage.
ọlọ́run ní ọ̀pọ̀ ṣe pẹ̀lú ìgbéyàwó.
God honors the institution of marriage,
ọlọ́run fẹ́ràn ìgbékalẹ̀ ìgbéyàwó.
and he wants it to be kept holy.
ó sì fẹ́ kí a pa á mọ́ ní mímọ́.
Say, thou shalt not commit adultery.
pé ìwọ kò gbúdọ̀ ṣàgbèrè.
In my own way, what
Ní
God
ọ̀nà
is
tèmi.
telling us,
tọ́lọ́run sọ fún wa
that thou shalt not break the peace of your marriage,
pé ìwọ kò gbúdọ̀ fọ́ àlàáfíà ìgbéyàwó rẹ.
because you need that peace for you to have a sanctity of marriage.
o nílò àlàáfíà tó péye, ìrẹ́pọ̀ tó péye nínú
There are so
ìgbéyàwó
many
rẹ.
questions people always ask
ọ̀pọ̀ ìbéèrè ni àwọn ènìyàn máa ń bi wá
about this adultery issue.
nípa ti panṣágà yìí.
If I cannot finish it today, I'll continue next week.
tí mi bá lè parí rẹ̀ lónìí ó tẹ̀síwájú ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀.
Always ask, what is the biblical definition of adultery?
pé kí ni ìtumọ̀ bíbélì nípa
What
panṣágà?
does Bible say about it?
kí ni bíbélì sọ nípa rẹ̀?
Some people always ask, if a spouse is unable to have sex, is it okay for the partner to go and have sex with someone else?
àwọn ènìyàn máa ń béèrè wípé tí ẹnìkejì nínú ìgbéyàwó bá lè ní ìbálòpọ̀ ṣé ó dára kó jáde lọ láti lọ ní ìbálòpọ̀ níta.
Some people even ask, what did Jesus say about adultery?
àwọn kan tẹ̀ ń béèrè pé kí lohun tí Jésù wí nípa àgbèrè yìí.
Some people ask, is it adultery if a widow has sex with a married man?
ṣé àwọn kan béèrè pé ṣé ẹ opó tó ní ìbálòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹni tí ó ní ìyàwó àbí ẹlòmíràn ọkùnrin mìíràn.
Some also ask, is it okay to have a romantic relationship with someone else without actually having sex?
àwọn kan tún béèrè pé ṣé ó dára tó láti fún ọkùnrin àti obìnrin kọ́kàn máa fọwọ́ para wọn tí wọ́n sì lè ní ìbálòpọ̀.
Some even ask, is it wrong to live with a married woman who is separated from her husband?
àwọn kan tún béèrè wípé ṣé ó dára láti bá ẹni tó ti ṣègbéyàwó rí lóbìnrin tí ó jẹ́ pé ó ti yapa pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ̀.
Some ask, is it wrong to continue to live with someone who is involved in adultery?
àwọn kan tún yọ pé ṣé ó dára láti máa tẹ̀síwájú láti máa gbé pẹ̀lú obìnrin tí ó ti wọnú àgbèrè rí.
And some we ask, with God forgive me for committing adultery?
kan tó wá béèrè wípé ṣé ọlọ́run lè dáríjì mí pé mo dẹ́ṣẹ̀ àgbèrè.
And in my years of experience,
Nínú
some people
ọdún
have come
àwọn
to
ìrírí,
ask me,
àwọn ènìyàn ti bí mí,
can I divorce my husband
ṣé mo lè kọ ọkọ mi
for having an affair?
bó ní ìbáṣepọ̀.
So let's look at what Old Testament called adultery.
jẹ́ kí a wo ohun tí májẹ̀mú láíláí sọ nípa àgbèrè.
In the Old Testament,
nínú májẹ̀mú láíláí,
adultery was understood as sexual relationship between a married woman and a man other than her husband.
àtúmọ̀ rẹ̀ pé ọkùnrin àti obìnrin tó ní ìbáṣepọ̀ tí wọn ò ṣe ìgbéyàwó pọ̀ tí wọn ò ṣe ọkọ àti aya.
So it was therefore a sin against the husband.
èyí wá jẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lòdì sí ọkọ rẹ̀.
They did not talk about man,
wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọkùnrin.
meaning man can begin to throw his bladder up and down.
mo sì pé ọkùnrin lè máa ju
That is what
ọ̀pá rẹ̀
the
kiri.
Old Testament says.
ohun tí májẹ̀mú láíláí sọ rèé,
It did not talk about man.
kò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọkùnrin rárá.
So in the Old Testament, adultery had to do with a sexual violation of marriage by a woman. Hello,
tó ń yé wa bí.
am I understanding you? Are you understanding me?
tẹ́ ẹ̀ yé mi àbí mò ń yé yín.
Go and read the Old Testament.
ẹ jẹ́ kí a ka májẹ̀mú láíláí.
It's always talking about woman committing adultery. Woman
ó ń sọ̀rọ̀
committing
nípa
adultery.
obìnrin tó ń ṣe àgbèrè.
But New Testament now clarify everything.
ṣùgbọ́n májẹ̀mú tuntun wá fi òkodoro hàn.
First of all,
ní
our Lord
àkọ́kọ́,
Jesus Christ spoke of those who look upon a woman to lust after her.
jésù olúwa wá sọ nípa ọkùnrin tí ó wo obìnrin tí ó sì ti ṣẹ̀gbẹ̀ pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ nínú
You
ọkọ
see
rẹ̀.
that one in Matthew chapter 5 verse 28.
nínú ìwé ìrere matthew orí karùn-ún ẹsẹ̀
It
kejìdínlọ́gbọ̀n.
says such a man has committed adultery
ó ní irú ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti dẹ́ṣẹ̀ àgbèrè
with his heart
pẹ̀lú ọkàn rẹ̀.
for looking at a woman with lust.
pẹ̀lú pé ó wo obìnrin
So
ní
the-
ọ̀nà.
The term
Really?
lust is it connotes sexual inclination.
ó wò ó pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́kúfẹ́ ọkàn yìí ni ìbálòpọ̀ tí ó lòdì.
Men who are lusting after women are actually committing adultery.
àwọn tí wọ́n ń fi ọkàn ìfẹ́kúfẹ́ lépa obìnrin wọ́n ti dẹ́ṣẹ̀ àgbèrè.
There are definition of some eyes.
àwọn ìtumọ̀ àwọn ojú kan wà.
We have loving eye.
ojú tó nífẹ̀ẹ́,
We have lusting eyes.
ojú tó kún fún ìfẹ́kúfẹ́,
We have wicked eyes.
àwọn ojú ìkà wà,
We have witchcraft eyes.
àwọn ojú ti àjẹ́ wà,
We have romantic eyes.
a ní àwọn ojú èyí tí máa ń fọwọ́ ra.
Once you have lustful eye,
nígbà tí ènìyàn bá ti ní ojú ìfẹ́kúfẹ́,
whether you are a man or a woman,
bóyá ọkùnrin àbí obìnrin ni ọ́,
you are an adulterer.
alágbèrè ni ọ́.
In this particular thing, I'm going to expose some terrible things.
nínú àkórí yìí a ó
So it
tú
might
àṣírí.
take us about 3 lectures.
ó lè gbà wá ní ẹ̀kọ́ mẹ́ta.
Secondly,
ìkejì,
on certain occasions, the Pharisees went to Jesus. They brought a woman to Jesus
wọ́n mú obìnrin kan tọ̀ jésù kristi wá.
who had been caught in adultery. That is in John chapter 8 verse 4.
nínú ìwé johannu orí kẹjọ ẹsẹ̀ kẹrin níbi tí a ti mú lójú ìṣe rẹ̀ gangan.
She was in the process of committing adultery when she was apprehended.
ó wà ní oníṣe àgbèrè nígbà tí wọ́n mú.
In fact, they said she was caught in the very act,
wọ́n ní wọ́n mú níbi tó ti ń ṣe é gangan.
meaning that it is not until you really performed it,
kì í ṣe nígbà tí o bá tiẹ̀ ti wá ṣe rárá.
the thought of it at thought
èròǹgbà rẹ̀ gangan pé o ti ní ní ọkàn
has brought you into judgment with God.
ó ti mú ọ wá sí iwájú ìtàṣẹ Ọlọ́run.
Also, the book of Hebrews told us that we should not let our bed be defiled.
ìwé Bẹ́rù sọ bákan náà pé kí a má ṣe jẹ́ kó orí ibùsùn wa kó
You see that one in
bàjẹ́.
Hebrews 13 verse 4.
ìwé Bẹ́rù orí kẹtàlá ẹsẹ̀ kẹrin
Then, for fornicators and adulterers will be judged.
pé àwọn alágbèrè àtàwọn onípanṣágà ni a ó ṣèdájọ́.
So, according to the Old Testament,
gẹ́gẹ́ bí májẹ̀mú láéláé
Reuben,
Rúbẹ́nì
the son of Jacob,
ọmọkùnrin Jákọ́bù
went up to his father's bed.
ó gorí àkéte bàbá rẹ̀.
The Bible says he defiled it.
Bíbélì wípé ó bà á jẹ́.
It didn't say he committed adultery.
ó ní kì í ṣe pé bí ó ṣe é,
He defiled the bed.
ó bà á jẹ́.
Genesis 49 verse 4.
ìwé Genesis orí
So,
kọkàndínláàádọ́ta
what was a sin?
ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
What was a sin?
kí ni ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ̀?
In Genesis chapter 35 verse 22,
ní ìwé Genesis orí karùndínlógójì
said he
Secretary.
laid with Bilhah, his father's concubine.
ó sùn pẹ̀lú aya bàbá rẹ̀.
So the fact that the Old Testament did not talk about men committing adultery,
ṣe é pé májẹ̀mú láéláé ò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń ṣàgbèrè.
the Old Testament condemned defiling the bed.
májẹ̀mú láéláé ó lòdì sí bíba orí ibùsùn náà jẹ́.
Meaning that men too are condemned for committing adultery.
èyí túmọ̀ sí pé a dá àwọn ọkùnrin náà lẹ́bi pẹ̀lú pé wọ́n jẹ́ ṣàgbèrè
In the Old Testament.
nínú májẹ̀mú láéláé.
Otherwise, the Bible would not have really condemned Reuben for defiling the bed.
ìbá má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ Bíbélì bá má dá Rúbẹ́nì lẹ́bi pé ó ba orí ibùsùn.
And that made
Bàbá
Reuben
rẹ̀ jẹ́.
to lose his position.
Rúbẹ́nì sì pàdánù ipò rẹ̀.
When Jacob was about to die,
nígbà tí Jákọ́bù ṣetán láti fi ayé sílẹ̀
he called all his children.
ó pe gbogbo àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ jọ.
Say, Reuben,
ó ní Rúbẹ́nì
thou art my firstborn,
ìwọ àkọ́bí mi
the might and strength of my power.
ipá àti agbára mi.
But because thou wentest up to defile the bed of thy father,
torí pé ìwọ lọ tààrà láti lọ ba orí àkéte bàbá rẹ jẹ́.
unstable as water, thou shalt not excel.
rírú bí omi nìwọ yóò jẹ́ ìwọ kì yóò sì tayọ.
Meaning that
èyí túmọ̀ sí wípé
adultery will make a
Agbèrè.
man poor,
yóò jẹ́ kí ènìyàn kó wà nípò àbòsí.
will make a man to lose glory,
ọkùnrin yóò pàdánù ògo.
will make a man to lose blessings.
yóò mú ènìyàn pàdánù ìbùkún.
Adultery
gbèrè
will put a woman into shame and disgrace.
yóò mú obìnrin wọnú ìtìjú àti ẹ̀gàn lọ.
Meaning that sex
ní ìbálòpọ̀
attached to glory,
ó so pọ̀ mọ́ ògo.
the way you perform it
ó ní ṣe bí o bá ṣe ṣe
is the way your glory will come.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ògo rẹ yóò sì rí.
Don't say after all I've not gone to bed with another woman or another man.
má ṣe sọ pé mi ò sáà tí gun orí ibùsùn pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin
Those of you
mìíràn.
that are looking at the buttock of the choir when they are singing,
tí ẹ ń wo ìtí àwọn obìnrin nígbà tí wọ́n bá ń jó
those
nígbà
of
tí
you
wọ́n bá ń kọrin.
that are measuring the size of bra
àwọn
of
tí wọ́n ń wo òtún wọn
women,
bèrè kọ́yàn
they are using eye to know the size of their bra.
tí wọ́n sì ń wo bí ó ṣe rí
Those of
ìwọ̀n
you
rẹ̀
that are looking at the legs,
tí wọ́n ń wo ẹsẹ̀ wọn.
you women that are looking at the muscles of men,
àwọn ọkùnrin tí wọ́n ń wo iṣan obìnrin tí ń wo iṣan ọkùnrin.
you have idols in your heart.
ó ní òrìṣà nínú ọkàn rẹ.
And God said,
Ọlọ́run sì wí pé
I will answer you
èmi yóò ta ọ lóhùn
according to the multitude of idols
gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ òrìṣà
in your heart.
tí ń bẹ nínú ọkàn rẹ.
We will continue next week.
a ó tẹ̀síwájú.